Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see beautiful Taj Mahal situated on Yamuna river in Agra city near New Delhi in India. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan has constructed this beautiful majestic masterpiece of architecture to immortalize his love towards his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Myself with my friends from Delhi, Sri Devi and Ashutosh, we went by road from Delhi to Agra. It took us about 4.5 hours by Yamuna Expressway. Here you can see Yamuna river. Now we have reached to Agra city. Here you can see famous Agra fort. It is one of the historical forts and has transitioned through number of dynasts, namely Rajput, Mughal, Maratha and then British. It's a huge complex. Now you can see directions to Taj Mahal. We have parked our car in the parking and now we are walking towards Taj Mahal entry gates. On our way we saw camel cart and cycle rickshaw. Now we have reached to West Gate of Taj Mahal. Here you need to buy entry tickets. It was then costing ₹50 for Indian nationals. Look at this arch of the gate. It's so beautiful. Even the compound area. See the work on it. When we were looking at the queue, we found it's too big, so we decided to go to another gate in search of tickets. Taj Mahal has 3 gates, East, West and South Gate. All 3 gates open in forecourt and then entry to Taj Mahal is through only one main gate which is inside the forecourt. Since there was a small queue at South Gate, we decided to enter from South Gate. On entering from South Gate, we saw beautiful view of forecourt. Gates and compound walls are made of red sandstone and white marble inlay work. We were very tired after standing in a long queue, so we were cheering up ourselves by amusing. The forecourt was big open area with nice lawn. It was probably used by royal family for ceremonies, assemblies and procession. Now we are at Great Gate or Darwaza-e-Rawza. It has huge doors. Look at this door. There was beautiful artwork on the walls and incised paintings on the roof. Look at this painting. The photograph in front of us was hypnotizing. Look at this. As we entered through this arch, beautiful gardens, water fountains and white dome structures surrounded with 4 minarets were just awesome. Wow, Taj! This was the moment we were eagerly waiting for. After initial excitement, we went inside the Taj Mahal complex. There are 2 grand red sandstone buildings that mirror to each other and they face to the mausoleum. Here is a mosque on west side, and on east side of the mausoleum there is a guest house. Taj Mahal is UNESCO's World Heritage Site, and it is described as universally admired masterpiece of world heritage. The construction of Taj Mahal started in 1632 and was completed in 1653. It took approximately 22 years. The white dome has height of 35 meters and height of 4 minarets is about 130 feet. According to the present rate, the cost of Taj Mahal is equivalent to more than 100 crore rupees. There are many astonishing things which we must know about. Shah Jahan believed that mausoleum of his dearest wife should be true heaven on the earth. The Taj garden bears all features of Charbagh garden, which is Persian concept of garden of paradise. The entire square-shaped garden is divided into 4 equal squares by 2 large paved primary intersecting walkways and water canals with water fountains. Look at this. The walls of Taj Mahal are decorated with various floral inscription, written text, verses from Quran and geometrical inscriptions and paintings. All these inscriptions and cut and fit artwork is done on ivory white marble using precious and semi-precious stones such as turquoise, lapis, coral, onyx, jade and bloodstones. The walls of inner mausoleum are ornamented with jali work by intricately carved octagonal marble screens. Look at this. There are floral and abstract patterns created using many precious and semi-precious stones. There are 4 minarets surrounding the main white dome. They enhance the beauty of Taj Mahal. Their height is about 130 feet. These minarets are tilted outward so that if earthquake occurs, they fall away from the tomb. Taj Mahal changes its color throughout the day. It becomes pinkish in the morning, milky white in the evening, and golden bluish in the moonlight. It's just optical illusion. It is called because of the reflection of the various wavelength of lights during the various times of the day. We were surprised to know that foundation of Taj Mahal is made of ebony wood. Wooden part of the foundation lies well below the Yamuna river, and it is the secret that wood used therein is still have necessary strength or bearing capacity to carry on weight of the superstructure, the Taj Mahal. So beautiful. We took number of pictures of Taj Mahal, trying to hold Taj Mahal, front view of Taj Mahal, back view of Taj Mahal, Yamuna side Taj Mahal. We had a great day. We enjoyed the journey through the past history of legacy of architectural techniques known to our ancestors 400 years ago. Hope you too enjoyed watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you have subscribed to channel, please do click on bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours, Desi Pardesi.